Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Here at Jacksonville Beach, often referred to as just Jax Beach. We're on the northeast coast of Florida, about 23 miles from Jacksonville, Florida. And in this video, we will walk the beach, most definitely, play around in the water. We will walk the reopened Jacksonville Beach Pier, and we'll enjoy a laid-back look of the beach and the Atlantic Ocean from Landshark Lookout at Margaritaville Beach Hotel as we enjoy drinks and food. We have more to see here in Jacksonville Beach also, so subscribe please if you yet to do so, and keep getting off the couch with us. Let's start our beach day and beach exploration with the pier now. First things first, here are the fees to walk and fish from the pier, as well as the rules. As Jacksonville residents, we're taking advantage of the $1 discount to walk the pier, which means you only have to pay $1 to walk it. Just my son and I. My daughter is free. 8 and under are free to walk. Cash is accepted too. You can pay by card. There is a processing fee if you do pay by card. Let's take a look at rental fees and rental details so you can fully enjoy both the water and the sand while you're here. I'll be sure to also include the website link in the description box for this rental information if you want this list handy as you plan your trip to Jax Beach. And if you do have a trip in the works for Jax Beach or Jacksonville Beach, tell us about it please in the comments. Okay, so where you pay for your fees to fish or to walk on the pier, that is also where the bake shop is and the concession stand. So this is where you can buy candy, drinks, souvenirs, and t-shirts, and more. But check out these cool t-shirts here. Go Jags! So the kids did pick up some snacks, so we are ready to walk the pier now. So you see the hammocks here on the pier. I did ask, and those are for anyone to use. This is all new for us too. The kids and I walked this pier for the first time on July 6, 2022. And that was reopening day. The first day the pier was back open after being closed to the public for 3 years. Due to Hurricane Matthew and then Hurricane Irma. None of the benches or the hammocks or the shaded areas were here when the kids and I walked the pier nearly 2 years ago. And I really like the setup here on the pier. So the Jacksonville Beach Fishing Pier is nearly a quarter of a mile long, about 1,300 feet long, and I'm zigzagging from side to side now, trying to give equal attention and love to both sides of the pier. I am partial, I'll admit, to my right side because look at all of this action, all the surfing that's happening. My favorite beach is a beach that's empty or nearly empty when it feels like I have the beach all to myself because I'm just greedy like that. But if I can't have that, then I love this. A beach with lots of activity, but still lots of space where you don't feel suffocated or crowded. Let me know your favorite type of beach too in the comments, please. There is so much fun happening here on Jax Beach with all of the surfers, people swimming, people biking on the beach, playing volleyball on the beach, and just playing, enjoying the sand in general. We'll check that out more later, the action on the sand. Let's keep walking this pier for now though. Okay, still walking. I know that there are longer piers. I have walked some of them. In fact, my son and I walked the Navarre Beach Fishing Pier on the Florida Panhandle, which stretches way out into the Gulf of Mexico. That pier is 1,545 feet long. So this pier at around 1,300 feet should be a breeze, but it actually feels really long. It kind of feels like we've been walking forever, but we're still moving. Once we make it to the end, we'll enjoy a magnificent view of the Atlantic Ocean. And for anglers, making it to the end or near the end of the pier will allow them to fish for deep water species. Okay, we're almost there. Feels like we're about to cross the finish line, doesn't it? There's no gold medal or first place ribbon waiting for us at the end, but there is this magnificent view. So let's take it all in. It's beautiful and kind of scary at the same time, even though I have not seen anything in the water on this whole trip down the pier. I love the color of the water here and the vastness of the ocean from this viewpoint too. We still want to make it to Margaritaville Beach Hotel, which sits right on Jacksonville Beach for happy hour. So we'll start to head back now. We have about a half an hour, a little bit more than a half an hour before happy hour ends. So we should have enough time to get there before the happiness ends. And we'll be meeting London there for drinks and food and more spectacular views of Jacksonville Beach and the Atlantic Ocean. Speaking of London, there he is trying to keep up with the drone. Let's see what he's been up to. So we're looking down now at the volleyball courts I mentioned earlier when I was talking about all the fun that you can have on the sand. Let's head out into the water too for just a bit. The sand is soft and feels really deep as we make the walk toward the ocean. And now that we're here, the water is cold. It's mid-April right now, so it's not warm yet, but that's okay. Let's get in for just a bit. Let's have some fun and let's enjoy this water. Well, that was fun and cold, but happy hour awaits. So let's get back on track. Let's go meet London and get a table at Jacksonville Beach Hotel's Landshark Lookout. The bottom floor is Landshark Bar and Grill. And as I already stated multiple times, we most definitely want a view of the beach. So we're gonna head upstairs to the Landshark Lookout. So we left the beach, but it's kind of like we didn't leave the beach. And we did make it for happy hour too. Now that's time management right there. London is having a Long Island Beacher from the happy hour menu. Now that cocktail consists of Margaritaville, Paradise Passion Fruit, Tequila, Mango Rum, Peach Vodka, and the House Sweet and Sour along with cranberry and pineapple juices. Now I'm going to try the other cocktail on the happy hour menu, the Pink Cadillac. That's Margaritaville Last Mango Tequila, orange liqueur, the House Margarita Blend, and cranberry juice. And we're also grabbing an order of beach chips from the happy hour menu. I love the cocktails, especially the one I'm drinking, the Pink Cadillac, and I did taste them both. They are both great. I'd be happy to drink them both again. While I'm over here modeling my drink though, let me show you the view here from Landshark Lookout. Okay, let's head back to the table now because I want to continue our happy hour discussion and let's spend some moments talking about the goodness of these beach chips, okay? I have only eaten at Margaritaville once before, not this location at City Walk Orlando, and that was years ago. So I'm not really familiar. I'm not familiar at all with the menu and the food here at Margaritaville. This is a newer hotel and restaurant on Jax Beach, opening in 2021, so I really want to try it. And this is really good, guys. I mean, like, I can see myself just sitting around on a Wednesday afternoon like, ooh, I wish I had some beach chips right now. Look at all of this bacon and the chips, the base of the dish, delicious. All right, there has been a change of scenery because it was really windy outside. So we are inside now, but the food showcase will continue. I still want to show you the rest of the food that we ordered. Both kids ordered a bacon cheeseburger kids meal, which is huge. My daughter can only get through half of it. My son did finish his and probably shouldn't have. He is stuffed now. Notice the cute shark fin on the burger too. And London and I are sharing the fish and chips. Delicious, really, really tasty, and huge. Again, even though we're sharing, there are still leftovers. And although we are inside, the outside is just a few steps away. And through this door, there is the pool and again, the beach. I really love the atmosphere here. It is Margaritaville after all. The food is really good too. A nice variety on the menu in my opinion. And the service we received was excellent. As I mentioned in passing just a little bit ago, we moved midway during our meal from outdoors to indoors. And our server was nothing but friendly, attentive, and helpful. Now that we are happy and full, we'll close our day out as we exit through the hotel. There is yet another place where you can grab something to eat at this hotel. It's more casual, more quick service, and that is Joe Merchant's Coffee and Provisions, where you can buy coffee, sandwiches, salads, and more. Also, you can get that Margaritaville memorabilia and souvenirs that you know you want to take home, and then snap some social media worthy pictures within the lobby. I really want to stay here, London and I both, and of course we'll take you all along too when we do get the chance to stay here. For now though, we are so grateful we had the chance to have happy hour here and more, check out the beach and walk the fairly new pier here at Jacksonville Beach, and we're extremely grateful that we got to do it with all of you. Thanks so much for getting off the couch with us. Thank you for joining us for another adventure, and tell us about your experience of Jacksonville Beach, please. Have you been? Is it somewhere you've considered visiting? Are you planning a trip? Let us know. We love to share and hear all about your adventures, and we would love for you all to join us off the couch and share another adventure along with us. A new adventure comes out each and every Saturday, and our next adventure takes us to Orlando to visit the Harry P. Lou Gardens. Lou Gardens is a collection of beautiful gardens covering nearly 50 acres in Orlando, Florida. Join us off the couch as we walk along the bald cypresses, watch the butterflies glide gracefully, and stop to smell the roses. It is a truly relaxing and beautiful visit. So subscribe please if you yet to do so. Join us as we walk the gardens, and join us too for our monthly newsletter. We provide travel tips, travel inspiration, and recommendations for places you may want to visit directly to your inbox. Sign up for our monthly newsletter on our website at offourcouch.com. The sign up link is also in the description box. As always, thank you so much for joining us here in Jacksonville Beach. Thanks for walking the beach with us as well as the pier. And thank you for joining us at Landshark Lookout at Margaritaville Beach Hotel for food and drinks. Thanks so much for the likes, the comments, the shares, and the feedback. Your involvement and support makes these videos possible. So thank you so very much. Until next week, click on the video to see another one of our experiences. Thanks for watching.